Before we install, it's important to note that the adapter has a max PSI of 300. If you expect to go up to that pressure range, also make sure that your sensor matches that 300 PSI or that you're operating within the pressure range of the sensor that you're adapting. I'm going to start by removing the nose cone on this PT12. It's just a little twist lock on that. I'm going to remove my pressure adapter. I'm going to reverse that, lock that back into place, like so. Now to keep it from coming out, I'm going to put in these two screws. Do so by hand threading them first. And tightening those in. Oops. Now that those are nice and tight, this sensor now can be installed on a piped pressure system, and we can measure pressure. Any questions or require additional information, please call or email Symmetrics for further information.